Social activist Pratima Coutinho visited Vasco police station over the Chikalim hit-and-run case, where the victim remains critical at the GMC. Coutinho expressed concern over the delay in arresting the accused driver and demanded justice and compensation for the victim, who she said is suffering due to reckless driving.
One speeding car came and dashed her badly, in which the dog died on the spot, and she is critically injured. Her both legs, both her hands, internal organs are damaged, and she is battling for life in GMC. I request CM and our police to take this case seriously and give us justice as soon as possible. Not to come and ask how is she, because we have seen her struggling, we have seen her screams, the way she was screaming. They didn't even have any courtesy to come and see what she was going through.
Nobody from the culprit's family has approached us till now to check how my sister is doing. Yesterday and today also, the culprit's wife was here and she did not make any effort to ask how she is doing or anything like that. Nobody came in the hospital and the culprit was not arrested for since Friday. Today he just came to get the bail, nothing else was done. Then yesterday I came to the police station to inquire about what the progress about this accident and also see what if the report is filed or not. I spoke to Constable Damodar and he told me to write an application and I will get the report copy. So when he presented the report copy, I saw that there was no mention of my dog, and I asked him why it was not mentioned. He just got angry and started scolding at me. He asked me, "Don't talk too much," and then he directly asked me, "In whose support are you speaking?" So I do not understand what he meant by that. In whose support you are speaking? I came justice. Whole family is suffering. My sister is battling for life. That we have not eaten and slept properly for last 3-4 days. And
हांव मागता कितें ते चेडवाक जस्टीस मेळपा आनी पुलिसांक जी रीत ना ती रीत धरून उलोवपाक एक चेडूं मनशा मुखार कितकोन उलोवपाक जाय तें एंड इट इज व्हेरी नेसेसरी वेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ वुमन टॉक विथ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट.
So I'm saying she should get justice. She should get justice. I mean, it's a humanity. What we just ask for, humanity, and I think we should follow rules. Even if you have not followed rules, but there is something called as sympathize with the family, come
Some
to see them.
responsibility.
Some responsibility is there, it's not there. Okay, coming to the point when it comes to the TSPCA, yes, we are filing a complaint with the prevention of animal cruelty, and they will follow their protocol as per their rules very shortly.
From nowhere it seems somebody comes rash driving, circle ram. I know he over speeding that he God knows whether he was flying or God knows whether he thought that he was flying a jet and he was in the space or something. I know असले रॅम्प मारले खंय की ते खंय कुत्र्याक घेवन आशिल्ली यांची भयण Rani, he was with the dog. He went on the dog and on Rani without having any mercy. Fada करून. That the dog is fully damaged, brain damage down. Dog Sophie died on the spot. Their pet died on the spot. Secondly, go to see आमची भयण Rani. Kavar, sarkens, happen. But then where is humanity gone? You are killing them and you are running from the spot and then going further and trying to throw another 2 people. तू खंयचो रे तू कोण रे कोणाच्या इन्फ्लुएन्साचेर नासता रे आनी मागीर खंय हेज्या भयणीक वेळे चिकाली हॉस्पिटलान व्हेल्यार कळ्ळें खंय क्रिटिकल हेजेर आनी कांय जावपाना उरपाना म्हूण सांगलें आनी GMCत शिफ्ट केलें. And today you know what? When we went to the hospital, what we come to know? The girl is in the ICU. ताजे कांयच प्लेसीन ना. ताजे ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला, ब्रेन क्लॉथ जालो आसा, ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला, स्कॅल्प ताजे डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा, ताजी छाती रिब्स तांचो पिडो जाल्लो आसा, लिवर आसता. जस्ट इमॅजीन मल्टिपल ऑर्गन फेलियर जाल्ले त्या भुरग्याक. जो लिवर आसता पळय हांगा तो लिवर खंय हांगा येयला रिब्सां कडेन वयर आनी तो लिवर खंय सर्जरी करपाक म्हूण सकल हालपाक गेल्यार खंय दोनूय किडनी त्या चलयेच्यो फेल जाल्या. Both the kidneys are gone, organ failure. What do you expect her to live now? Secondly, ताजे खंय टॉर्सो गेला, ताजे खंय पांयाचे खंय हाडाक 3 कुडके जाल्यात, ताचे कांयच ना लायफाक. आनी वर्स म्हणटा ते रडटा, बॉ मारून रडटा, ताजें जायना. ताजे डिसलोकेशन जाल्लें आसा, खंय दोनी हिप्स डिसलोकेट जाल्या. ताजे खंय जॉ देखून डिसमेंटल जाला. जॉ डिसमेंटल जाला म्हणून खंय आतां ते बॉब मारता ताजें जायना म्हणून खंय ताजें वॉट ताजें टांग आनी जॉ खंय शिवला. Just imagine what was a mistake, what she had done, what crime she had done. And the bloody person who has committed a crime is nicely coming with his wife. I don't know what's wrong with police. आय डोंट नो पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट कितें जालां बट आय थिंक लॉ अँड ऑर्डर ओनली हॅज कॉलेप्स. सेकंडली म्हणटा ते पुलिसाचें कितें आसता एक भाव ताजी भयण ती 99% काबार जाल्ली आसा सगळे पार्ट्स डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा ताज्यो भयण्यो तुज्या दारान येवन बसता हॉस्पिटलांत आसपाचे सुवातेर हांगा येवन तांचो टायम वेस्ट जावपा लागला आणि यू आर नॉट बींग सिम्पथायझींग ना कांय ना उलयन तांकां सुबेज उलयता कोणाचो पावराचेर उलयता अरे तुजी भयण मरताली जाल्यार तूं असो तुजे कडेन कोणें उलयलें जाल्यार तुका बरें दिसपाचें म्हाका दिसता तुजी बॉल्सां भरिल्लीं आसा म्हणून तूं म्हजे कडेन हांसून उलयता शंबरांनी लोक आसा आतां शंबरांनी लोक This why they are crying, man? Why these youth cousins, sisters are crying? And madam sang. कितें CM हांव तुका सांगता प्रमोद सावंत. This is nothing politics. This is about justice. If this has been sent like this, I have heard there are some people involved, and they are talking. It seems you are not bothered about any संस्था. He belongs to some club. It seems त्या क्लबातलो लोक फोन मारून सांगता काही तो बरो मनीस रे आमचो फ्रेंड रे फ्रेंड सगळे आसता बरे आयज तोय बरो आयज तेय बरें हांवूय बरें पूण समज म्हज्या हातींतल्यान कितें गुन्यांव जाला हांवें कितें रॉंग केलां हांवें जबाबदारी घेवपाक जाय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय आतां फाल्यां ती चली समज गेली म्हणून 12 दीस करतले असलो तेन्ना आतां समज ते तशेंच कॅपेज जावन घरा आयले मागीर कितें सो आय वॉन्ट उल्हास नायक केस चालू आसतली रेशन नेग्लिजन्स केल्या तुवें बेल दिला तुवें कंपेन्सेशन कितें म्हणटा तें दिवपाक जाय